Welcome to the future of driving with Xi'ung and EcoTrek Express. Imagine a drone soaring over our eco-friendly roads lined with rubber-bit asphalt and tiny trees. Now picture the Xi'ung tiny car weaving effortlessly through the vibrant streets of Borneo. Check out the smart display, a 20-inch screen that seamlessly switches between Android Auto, Microsoft Autocar, and Apple CarPlay. Next, we see a medium tiny home equipped with solar panels, the Xi'ung Power Home Wall, and a micro plant garden. Watch as we transition to a global map, highlighting our headquarters in Shenzhen, Sydney, Birmingham, San Francisco, Moscow, and Kowloon, along with our factories. Finally, let's envision a greener future. Children planting trees, solar panels on rooftops, and EV charging stations nestled in nature. Join us in driving the greener future with Xi'ung cars.